Hello friends, welcome. Today we are going to talk about 3 websites for English learners, and especially for those English learners who want to learn English by reading. Are you an English teacher who needs written English texts and lessons? Or are you a student who can learn English better by reading rather than listening or watching videos? If they are the cases, then keep watching. You have come to the right place. Below I'm going to introduce 3 websites that you can integrate into your English learning process absolutely for free. So let's get started. Number 1, bbclearnenglish.com. Here you can read news, sports, real, work life, travel, future, culture, music, TV, weather, and sound. You can also find the following courses features: grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, news, business, and we have quizzes for teachers and students, and they also have their app. So if you would like to learn English by reading, then this is a must visit site for you. Go and give it a try. Number 2, englishwithlucy.co.uk. Lucy has grown in a tiny village in the English countryside, but she has always bigger dream. Now she says that her goal is to help the world to speak English confidently and fluently. She says learning a foreign language doesn't have to be scary, embarrassing, or boring. She says she will teach you to enjoy the language learning process so that you can feel proud of every word you say. She says over 6 million students have joined her on their journey to English fluency. So what are you waiting for? This is another must-try website totally for free. Go and give it a try too. Yes, so far so good. Number 3, englishinlevel.com. Wow, this is another amazing website. English in Level is a global company. They started to help students of English back in 2011. They prepare teaching materials for students of English every week. They want to show all the students that it is easy to learn English. They write English texts in 3 levels of difficulty: first, second, and third. Students can read materials at their level, and they have also developed a special method for teaching English, and they have implemented this method into their projects. Students at all levels can now understand English. Their project have more than 400,000 users per month. Their users are from more than 100 countries. They say they are happy that they can help many students. They say that they hope that they will be able to help more students in the futures. You can find news in levels here, world news of students in 3 levels, videos in levels. You can watch the same video in 3 levels, and you can read books like a book of Robinson Crusoe, a famous book about a lost man by Daniel Defoe. You can read the same book in 3 levels, and you can. Another interesting feature of it is you can talk to people from around the world for free via Skype ID. You can find a lot of people there. English grammar in level, a lot of different things here. So if you are interested in it, don't hesitate to go there and give this site a try. You will never regret. In fact, you will really love to go there and visit their site. And if you really think that this video was worth giving it please consider giving it a like and subscribe this channel, and please kindly share this video with your friends so they can also benefit from this video and they can speak English confidently, and they can subscribe these 3 channels plus my channel if they want to see such more videos. Thank you for watching.